Hello everyone. The ANC Secretary General Fikile Mbalula said that the ruling party will not hesitate in sanctioning those alleged to have solicited a bribe from a suspended public protector, Adv Busisiwe Mkhwebane. Speaking to the SABC, Fikile Mbalula said he had read an article that alleges that high-ranking members of parliament had tried to extort money from Mkhwebane to make her Section 194 inquiry go away. He said there will be an action. Heads will roll, definitely, because we don't play. You go wrong and we hit you hard. If there's anybody who has done anything that Nzilikazi is alleging would have happened in the inquiry of Mkhwebane, that person is in for a high jump. The ANC will not hesitate to act. Mbalula said he was concerned about the image of the organization as the report implicates leaders in the party. He added that we are concerned about the image of the ANC, which is why we took an unread narrator to the cleaners. Some gossip newspapers said we never acted, but we acted against narrator. I will release a statement later today on narrator. Any member of the ANC who is found on the report as reported by Nzilikazi, I can assure you, it will not take a week. We will be on top of that person. Machadina, along with the former cabinet minister Tina Jomet, Peterson, and chairperson of the inquiry, Obudile Ganki, were fingered as trying to extort money from Mkhwebane. It has been reported that a case has since been opened with the police. Machadina denied any knowledge of the matter, adding that she would be suing the journalist involved. She said, "I have not been called by any police. I don't know when this thing has happened. And I'm going to sue Nzilikazi. I mean, dragging my name. I don't even sit in that committee, and this is not the first time from South African journalists. When this committee started its work, there was an article that I bribed ANC members with R1 million and that I must find Mkhwebane guilty. How do you bribe people who are on a fact-finding mission? So today it's me who wants to end this case of Mkhwebane. I mean, how is that possible? Oh no, you know this cheap, destructive journalism is not on." What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.